Do you have a phone, laptop, or computer, or perhaps all three? For the vast majority of you, the answer will indeed be yes. And if that's the case, then you can make big money online through this strategy, just like all of these people are doing, and they're from all over the world: Pakistan, Germany, Nigeria, Indonesia. It literally doesn't matter one bit. So if you want to make some good money online, make sure you keep watching. Just before we get to the video, here's a big clarification. This will not make you rich, and this is also not a good strategy for making money online in the months and years to come. It's more in the short term. So if you're interested in making money online in the long run and not just for now, then check out the first link down below. There you will learn how to make money online like I'm doing so myself, and in passive income too. And with all of that said and done, let's now jump straight into this tutorial. As you have heard prior, this strategy does indeed work for any device you have. That's arguably the best thing about it, apart from the fact that you can, of course, earn some nice money. The very first website you will need to go over to is this one right here called up-load.io. As it says on the homepage, this site makes file sharing easy. If you scroll down just a bit, you will see that you get 50 gigabytes free storage on this platform, and that is a lot. It's way more than what Google Drive provides you with, for example, and many other websites out there. So long story short, you can store a lot of files on this platform, files that other people will be able to see and download. Furthermore, alongside the big amount of storage this site has to offer, they also have unlimited upload speeds, as you can see. All users can upload with unlimited speed no matter what the size of the files you're uploading. Yet another cool feature of this website. With all of that said though, basically every single one of you watching this will be wondering, how can this website make us money if it's a place where you can just store files that other people can download? Well, you can see just how this exactly works on this page here. Up-load.io works under a model called PPD that allows you to receive payment depending on the downloaded files you get. You just need to upload your files and share it. So basically guys, this website will allow you to make money whenever someone downloads a file you have uploaded onto the platform. As simple as that. This is what makes this website relevant for us, of course. You can come on here and upload any file you want to, and if you get a lot of downloads on the said file, you get paid. As simple as that. Regarding payment, on this same page, you can see that the minimum amount of money required before you can withdraw it is just $3. This is an excellent feature because it means you don't have to wait a long time before you can withdraw your money. Many other websites have such crazy limits like $50 made before you can withdraw it, but that is simply put not the case with this website. And the benefits hardly stop there. They will pay you via PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and lastly, Payoneer. So not only do they offer a variety of methods to get you paid in cash if you so wish, but if you're a fan of crypto, and many of us watching are, they can pay you via cryptocurrency indeed. The last thing worth mentioning on this page is this: the amount of money you will actually earn per 1,000 downloads. You can see below that the amount of cash you will get paid depends on a number of factors. First one is, where is the person located who downloaded the file? If 1,000 people from the top-tier countries like the US, Canada, and Switzerland downloaded your file or files, you get paid $7 for the smaller files downloaded, all the way up to $13 for the larger files. For people from the UK, Australia, and so on, you will get paid $5 per 1,000 downloads, and it goes up to $8 for larger files, and so on. So as you can see guys, this site does pay quite decently. And yes, I know many of you will be thinking, $7 per 1,000 downloads isn't a lot, is it? Well, you'd be right, but there are two elements at play here that make this worth your time and effort. First off, this website is insanely popular. It got nearly 3 million visits in the previous month. This is extremely important because this shows you that there will be a lot of people who might download your files. The more popular a site is, the more money you can make, as simple as that. And this site is indeed popular. This goes to show you that you can actually make some decent money online sharing your files on this website. Furthermore, another big feature is that it also works worldwide, and you can see that on this page because the majority of people who visited the site came from India, Egypt, Russia, and China. So for those of you who have been wondering, as you can see, this does indeed work worldwide because out of the top 5 countries you see here, only one is a Western nation, the US. The rest are located elsewhere. So to summarize, this site works worldwide, pays quite decently, and the amount of money you can earn is further increased by the fact that it's also popular as well. Meaning that if you share something on the site that a lot of people might download, you can actually make a very decent amount of money. What I need you to do now, guys, is sign up to the platform. To do that, first off, click on the sign up button in the upper right corner here. Then type in your username, email, and password, retype the same password, enter in your payment information, and select how you want to get paid. To finish the process, click on I'm not a robot and then on register just below. When you log in, this is how everything will now look. You can now start uploading files by clicking on the Upload Files button up here. And on the following page, you'll just open up the files from your PC. And now that you have all logged into your new accounts, guys, it's time for me to show you a website you will want to use. One where you will obtain the files that you will then just re-upload onto this site and for free as well. That website is called Pexels.com. And before I even go on and talk about what you want to do on the website, I also want to show you that it is available on the Google Play Store and also the App Store as well. So just like I promised you in the beginning, you can do this and get paid on any device you have. First off though, what is Pexels anyway? Well, it's a website from which you can, for absolutely free, download and use photos and videos with no copyright infringement. And this is very important for us. It means you can come on here, download any image you want to, then upload it onto Upload and get paid. As easy as that. And if you're wondering why anyone would bother downloading images, it's as simple as this. They are all beautiful and taken by professional photographers. For example, these all look absolutely stunning. And besides that, the fact that people can use them with no copyright infringement will also draw them to want to download the images, or videos for that matter, that you uploaded onto Upload. To download any one of these photos or videos if you want to, all you have to do is hover over the image or video in question and click on this arrow here, and this will, as you can see, download the image to my PC in a matter of seconds. All I have to do now is just go back over to this site, upload the image, and repeat this process over and over again for as many files as I want to. And thanks to this website's popularity and the fact that you can find literally millions of photos on Pexels, you'll both be able to make a lot of money online, and you'll be able to do this continuously because there are so many photos that you can find that you will basically never run out of them. Arguably, the best part is, though, that you will be able to make money in completely passive income once you upload a set number of photos or videos. It's as easy as that. If you want to see some of my other videos that I have uploaded on my channel thus far, be sure to check out the ones on your screen right now. If you're enjoying my content, then be sure to support my channel and give this video a thumbs up below, because more videos are already on the way. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of them. As always, thank you all for watching, and see you soon in some of the upcoming videos.